Hello everybody, this is Adult here once again, and today I'd like to share some tips with you that will put you on the right track and help you to improve your English. Well, maybe you're asking why I don't have more videos on my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna explain. The reason is simple. I'm shy and I don't like my voice. When I watched my last video here, I was like, oh my god, I hate my voice. And I was thinking, if I hate my voice, what do other people think about my voice? Because everyone has to listen to my voice, right? So today I decided to overcome this and step outside of my comfort zone. As I said in the beginning, today I will share some tips with you. In this video we're going to learn how to make the T8 sound. These sounds are paired together because they have the same mouth position. The first one, like this. This sound are made just with the air. The second one, this sound requires vibration of the vocal cords. Now let's see some examples. Remember, this sound is made just with the air. Examples: mouth, mouth, month, month, thanks, thanks, thought, thought. Now let's see how to use it in a sentence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks for keeping me posted. Thanks for keeping me posted. What is your birth month? What is your birth month? Got home earlier than I thought I would. Got home earlier than I thought I would. The second one. This sound requires vibration of the vocal cord. Example: there, that, those, brother. Now I'll show you how to use it in a sentence. There are a lot of things in my room. There are a lot of things in my room. This is my brother. This is my brother. They are very creative. They are very creative. So that's it for today. This video was about how to make the T8 sound. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. By the way, my next video we're going to learn how to make the R sound. So stay tuned folks, I will keep you posted. Bye for now.